YouTube, what is up, guys? So do you remember that one time that I scared my son with a remote control snake? Oh my gosh! Is that a snake? Oh my gosh! Is that a snake? For once, you did not see it coming, did you?
No.
Did it scare you?
Yeah.
Well, watch this. Oh my gosh, stop. All right, the thing looks so creepy realistic. I mean, it doesn't sound realistic, but the way it moves, it's pretty realistic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get people to come into my office and we're gonna set up the cameras and we're gonna scare them. So let's see how the Shred Quarters snake prank goes. Brian Ames! Brian Ames! First off, look at these screenshots, these thumbnails. Now, you freaking move too fast. Gosh. Now, hold on. Now we gotta call people.
Is there a camera somewhere?
Yeah, right there and right there. And you just walked right by it. I pressed it too late. All right. Cut my officer fast, dude. Bye-bye. Hey, what's your, That's it? Hey, what's your, That's it? Gosh, all right, come on.
That's pretty sweet. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's pretty sweet.
Hi. I think we could get Casey well if we put the snake under his desk.
I think that's the idea. How are we gonna make it happen?
I will distract Casey for you.
Okay. Is this still? Oh, yeah, it's not. And then I can use mine. Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Look, it's controlled by an egg.
I saw that. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. It's
I
a little
have
egg
this?
guy. No, get out of here.
Okay.
Go distract Casey. You think this is gonna work?
I don't know. I think it's kind of slow. It might work. It's either gonna do
It's
everything or
utterly
nothing.
failed so far. What other?
Oh, Kia. Oh, Kia. Okay, good. Dude, that's
All right, you're the only person that we actually kind of got
I don't
scared
like
of.
snakes. They freak me out. Dude, I've seen spiders this big in here before, like under these desks and shit.
He actually kind of wrecked.
I kind of got a little snake scare.
I don't
Distract you.
This is in the past, but by the time this video goes up, but man, our April Fool's newsletter was awesome, and you did it.
Thank you.
Thank you, dude. Can I see the GIF? GIF?
Yes.
GIF is GIF.
GIF.
Pronounced GIF.
It's GIF.
But everyone says GIF.
Can I see the video, not video, of Alex catching air?
There he is.
Look at this. And then let me see the picture. Shred Quarters air.
It's my hand
67 cents.
and my hoodie.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some. Thank you guys for being pranked. Casey, thank you for reacting to said prank.
Cool, I hate you.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Jeez, he's mean.
Okay.
He did it!
That was so good.
Look like I used to look.
Go.
No, go again!
He didn't kick it hard enough.
I didn't know how hard I had to kick it.
No, go again.
It's like I have the...
Go. Wait, okay, wait. I think Alex was like
I
creeping.
timed it. I timed it wrong.
That was so dumb.
So when I landed in Minneapolis, it was -9 degrees outside.
It's like
Am I
there
not-
you are, and then there's just a face, like a ghost face of Sam Vestal. Look
Am I
at
gonna
this.
knock anything over?
Look at this. Go. It's totally a work of art. I'm not walking.
Warehouse Wednesday. You should be walking faster.
Alright, go.
Get it.
My mom really likes this. Yeah.
It was falling before I threw it.
Ready.
I missed!
There's the bonus clip. No, is this yours or? Why are you? Go.
I'm present! Open me! No! I missed
happened?
I don't know, I missed him somehow.
Wait a fraction of a second, Justin.
hit the door.
Okay. Go.
I'm a present! Open me! No! Warehouse Wednesday. Why are you so angry?
We're walking. Oh, you gotta be close.
Just
Hold on.
keep walking? Can we keep walking?
You gotta be holding that low and then whip it up, okay? Let's just try it. Warehouse Wednesday, okay? Bill, we're walking, okay? We're gonna be walking. Go! Go!
Warehouse Wednesday?
That was good, Brian Ames.
Was it?
Yeah, but you didn't go like Warehouse Wednesday and act like you were cool. So we probably gotta do it again.
There's no way I can quit that.
You can do this. Have you ever wanted to look cool in life, Brian?
Hit the one. Dude, you hit me.
You better be quick.
There's no way.
You
I'm
can do
gonna
this.
have to catch it and.
Too late early. I've got a baseball bat in the secret.
Ow!
That's close.
Is he gonna hit? I'm gonna throw the
I'm
ball.
about to walk out the door and hit. This is insanity.
go
Step
on
back.
there.
Step back. Step.
Oh my gosh. Where's the football? Oh, go.
Sports.
You gotta walk. You can't just hang out right here.
I'm trying.
Stop kicking the ball!
Don't get it wet.
Dude, he kicks it every time!
Stop throwing the ball like over my head.
Everyone doesn't like anybody right now. You guys all just yelled at each other.
This vessel's too.
Go. You just punched it. Did you drop the bat?
Yes.
Oh, not that guy. Where is she? Haley, come on. Up here from the wall. Up here. There you are. Oh! I got it. I filmed it. You are on Facebook.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I just want to smell that pizza.
You've got 10 seconds to do a kickflip.
No.
It's Revive Randomness. Finally, I did one.
Nice.
Yeah, did you? Well, you got pranked by a snake,
I did. Yeah.
but you didn't get scared.
I did not. I walked
He
out by it.
got mildly amused. You didn't care. He got mildly amused, and then
I got pranked.
you got scared. But the Revive Randomness, I hope that was entertaining. I'll say it a million times. Randomness videos are like my favorite type of videos. I love it. I never know what's happening, Brian. I frankly never know. I never know what's gonna happen.
punched me in the
I
face.
never know.
Stop.
I never know.
Stop.
But I hope you guys like this. I do videos all the time, so hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. If you need skateboard gear, where's the skate shop?
Right here and on the other side of the wall.
Yeah, the other side of the wall is the
But it's
correct
also
answer.
streetwears.com right here.
Yeah, that. If you have a local shop in your area, please support it. They can always carry our gear, but if not, we have you. On that other side, Shred Course. TheShredCourse.com.
They can't have this skateboard.
No, they
'cause
can't.
It's long gone.
That went away so fast.
Oh my
It literally
God.
lasted 24 hours.
Yeah, we ordered appropriately. Yeah, we ordered appropriately.
Say bye.
Goodbye.